got these little depth gauges from a couple different garage sales. This one's actually in really good shape, and it's not up for restoration today. Got a little bit of rust. Maybe I might, but it's not a priority of mine. These two little guys, however, are pretty well rusted. Still seems smooth. It's all mostly surface rust. It's not cancerous. It's not, maybe some pitting on that side. This one doesn't matter as much. And we're gonna go ahead and take these apart. It's a pretty simple device. It's got a screw in there and a rod, and then the base. And so to get this start off, we just want to sit there and try and knock off as much of the rust as we can. And this is just a little nylon brush. I'm gonna place it in my tub here. Got this little blue tub. I bought this little white basket in there. And I'm gonna put that right in there. That piece. And the nut. And do the same thing to this one. They're both free. It's got a little more rust on it. There we go. Those things are ready for the Evaporust. Now this one's in really good shape. I'm gonna de-rust this one too. It's got a little bit of rust, but we're gonna make them all look nice. We'll have to stir those up just a little later. We're just gonna add some Evaporust. I'm pretty sure this is stuff that's been pre-used, maybe not. Yep, it's been pre-used. We're just gonna fill it up enough so everything's covered. Yep, it's been used. That's fine, you can use it many times over. It's about eight, $9 for a bottle, so you don't want to waste it. You get it at Harbor Freight. It's fine. Stir that up a little bit. Maybe I'll run it through a coffee filter next time and get a little bit of orange goo out. I'll put it back in. But we'll go ahead and put the lid on it, and then we'll look at it tomorrow. Usually it takes about 12 to 24 hours for it to evaporate the rust, and do that. Then we'll wash it off, dry it down, and then I'll probably oil it with some 3-in-1 oil. It's been overnight. It's longer than 12 hours, less than 24. Just gonna go ahead and take these out, and we'll see what we got here. All right. There's literally nothing on that one. This is my good one, so I'm not really expecting much of that. You can see how nicely these pieces are coming out though. Now here is one of the old rusty ones. It's just as nice as the other one. looks super nice. Not as shiny as the one that was pretty before, but still pretty good. Alright. That looks nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm take them inside, rinse them off. I'll do that off camera. And then you got to dry them really good. And I'm going to add oil to them right away, just to get the, so it doesn't flash rust on me. So I'm gonna take care of that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got all three of these dried off. They all came out super nice. You can barely tell that any of them rusted at all. I think this is the one that's got a little bit of cancerous rust. That's not bad. This one's smooth. That one's very smooth. So this one here is just gonna be my rough one. So if I wanted to, I could take some sandpaper, or I could take a stone and I could hit that with a stone. I might actually hit that with my stone. Let me go get my stone, I'll do that. Alright, so I hit this one on my stone off camera. Fairly flat, feels nice. This just won't be a super precision one, but you can see some pitting, and it's been dinged up a little bit too, so I think that's what I was feeling in some of the things, because this one had a hard life, harder than the other ones. Now we're going to oil them up. I'm just going to hit it with some 3-in-1 oil to kind of just seal them a little bit. Put it generously over there, and I'm just going to wipe it on. Make sure to get it all. Drop some in the holes. All the way through. Hardest part is getting it in the knurling. Once you get a rag oiled up, it's a lot easier. Always feel it, make sure you got oil everywhere. I'd actually be down the shafts of these. All right. Time for reassembly. This is pretty simple. Rod goes in. fully assembled, ready to go, ready to work. I keep finding these at estate sales. They're all rusty usually, and people just don't want them. Just a little bit of oil bath and a little Evaporust, and they're good to go. Get on this screw here. Working with that one, and for some reason the screw does not want to capture it. That one's fine. This one's fine. I might have to run a tap through that hole, but I'll save that for another day. Technically, I don't need to use 3 of these. I might actually, I don't even know if they're worth anything. I want to sell them or not, but they're here for my toolbox now.